Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now, confirm your S24 Ultra is updated and that Live Translate is installed, because updates enable language packs. Then enable microphone and location permissions so audio and context flow. Open Settings and locate Live Translate, or open Camera and select Live Translate mode as a shortcut. Once done, download the pair of language packs you need. This reduces latency. Make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi or mobile data is active before moving to the next phase. You now run the core flow. Pick the mode, speech for voice, camera for signs, conversation for two-way chat, because each optimizes processing. Select source and target languages. Use auto-detect when uncertain. Start speaking or point the camera and watch translations appear. Tap any phrase to hear it aloud. Once done, tweak microphone sensitivity and speaker output to reduce background noise or echo. Make sure to pause briefly between phrases to improve accuracy and to switch languages mid-session if context changes. You finish by saving needed translations, then close Live Translate. Clear recent items for privacy when required. If translations seem off, update or re-download the language packs because corrupted packs cause errors. If audio or camera input fails, restart the app, toggle microphone/camera permissions, or reboot the phone. This fixes most resource or permission conflicts. One key troubleshooting tip: if live speech recognition lags, switch to local language packs and disable heavy background apps to free CPU and network bandwidth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.